Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook the classic pork giniling. Some people may call this pork picadillo or pork picadillo, but here's the recipe, guys. Let's start cooking. On medium heat, we're gonna add some oil. I have already prepared all my ingredients, mise en place. I'm going to pre-cook our veggies, so later on it will be easier to combine everything together. First thing we'll cook is the potatoes. I used one medium potato here. If you love potatoes, you can add some more. Let's cook these guys for like 5 minutes. Next, drop in your carrots. I used one small carrot here. You can add some more if you like them, but I don't. Cook your carrots for 5 minutes. It's nice to see them caramelized. Set the veggies aside for now. On a clean pan with hot oil, let's cook our onions. Cook your onions until translucent. Next, we'll add the onion's best friend, the garlic. I keep repeating this in all my recipes. Don't burn your garlic. Then we'll add in our ground pork. Knock knock! Who's there? Season your pork. Season your pork who? How about love? How about love? How about love? Measuring love. Season your pork. Season your... Tama na. Make sure that your ground pork ain't pink no more. So let's reunite our ground pork with our potatoes and carrots. For more flavor, add 2 bay leaves. We'll add in 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything together now. add your cubed bell peppers, red and green. Always taste your food. For that extra umami flavor, add fish sauce. I'm adding more ground pepper now. If you want a sweeter version, you can add sugar here. And lastly, let's add our quail eggs for the win. Cook for about 1 minute and you're ready to go. This is the classic pork giniling or pork picadillo or pork picadillo, however you want to call it. Perfectly splendid! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.